We are at George Washington's Mount Vernon for the 8th annual Tour de Mount Vernon. We are going to ride the parkway. It's closed. We can go all the way down to Alexandria. We're going to get a ride of 23 or 4 miles on the short one, or about 40 miles or so on the long run. They're going to see a gorgeous Potomac River that they're going to ride along for about 10 miles. And then they're going to ride through the various neighborhoods of Mount Vernon. Well, we have 500 riders today. It's the first ever we've had that many riders. Mostly folks from the area because they want to do the Tour de Mount Vernon, because the purpose of the ride is to get them to explore and see the southeastern part of Fairfax County.
I think this event is important because it brings people together, and it allows us to see other parts of the Mount Vernon District than where we live.
It's great. I think it's wonderful to open up the parkway for bicyclists. You know, I drive it by car almost every day, but it's great to be out on the bike.
This is a community bike ride, and a community bike ride means we want everybody. In fact, for the first time, we have a family bike ride. It's a very short one, about 4 miles, and it'll mostly involve smaller kids. I want them to feel like they are having a great time. If they can't make it this year, that's all right. I expect that we'll be here next year, and next year we'll be in the southern part of the Mount Vernon District. We'll ride out of the Workhouse Arts Center, which is also one of our favorite rides. And that one's a little bit more of a rural ride because you get to ride through lots of different parts of, again, Mount Vernon District. We'll have 2 regional parks that you ride through and a state park. Lots of different rides, but also the same folks, the same community, the same fun.